Compressed air tanks look simple, but they store real energy. A small defect or a blocked safety valve can turn a receiver into a hazard. Here are the essentials. Always check the nameplate. It specifies the MAWP, volume, and the code bases, like ASME or PED. This data is the foundation of your safety calculations. You need a visible pressure gauge and a correctly sized relief valve. Most importantly, never place an isolation valve between the tank and its safety valve. Manage your condensate. Water inside causes corrosion. Before maintenance, always isolate, depressurize, and verify zero pressure using proper lockout-tagout. Corrosion usually starts at the bottom waterline. Use UT thickness testing to track metal loss. If you see severe pitting or leaks, escalate immediately. Align your 2026 inspections with the latest ASME codes. Subscribe for our full air tank safety checklist. Stay safe.